Hello, my name is Tiangela, and guess what I'll be doing? I'll be starting a hair care line with no knowledge. Yep, so stick around so you can find out why and how. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is that I'm starting a hair care line with no knowledge. Why? Because the products that I want, I don't like what's already out there in the marketplace. And do you know what dry shampoo is? So basically dry shampoo is in between when you wash your hair, you'll use these products to keep your hair fresh and smelling good. However, there's a drawback that comes with them. A lot of the manufacturer uses like powder that when you spray it on your hair, it leaves white spot, especially when you have black hair, like me. So I don't like that. And also some of them are very expensive, and I'm a cheap person. I mean frugal. I don't like spending a lot of money because I really don't have a lot to spend. So I've decided to come up with my own products. I call them better than dry shampoo. And so I have no knowledge of even how to do a hair care business because I never worked in that industry before. I really don't pay attention to that industry. But because the products that I want, I don't like them or too expensive, I've just decided to do it myself. Yep, I just read and figure out what to do as I get along. So as I mentioned, I consider my products better than dry shampoo. So what it is that I just Google, found a manufacturer, discussed with them what I wanted, and now we're working on samples. So there are two products because I like options. So this is a sample. This is called sweat remover spray, because as I mentioned with dry shampoo that's already out there, you spray it in your hair and you leave it. Why I came up with this is because I exercise a lot, sometimes 6 days a week, and I wash my hair every week. So during the days when I'm exercising and sweat is like drenching my hair, I'm like, what's the sweat doing to my hair? And I'm going to discuss in another video what sweat does to your hair. And so I'm like, I don't like that. So I'm like, let me, contact a manufacturer, tell them stuff that I want to do and see if they can bring my vision to life. And so the manufacturer that I'm working with, they are doing that. Yay! Bringing my idea to life. So what this is the wipeout spray, sweat removal wipeout spray. So of course it will be bigger because this is a sample, so they're still working on making it what I like. So what you would do, spray it in your hair with a piece of paper or cloth towel. You would wipe it out, so you might not get every drop of sweat out because you spray it all over, wipe. So the idea is that it absorbs the sweat, you're wiping the sweat out, and also it's odor neutralizer. So you're getting the odor and the sweat out while you're also leaving the product in your hair. This is the leave-in cream because as I mentioned, I like option. So on days when like your hair is not so sweaty, like you wear a hat or you wrap your hair might not be stink or whatever, but we're human, it's going to have a little smell and also a little sweat maybe at the root. So you would use the leave-in cream if you wanted that. So these are what I'm starting with, yay! But I want to do a whole line. So as I mentioned, I really have no knowledge in this. I'm just gonna read and figure out what to do, and also to inspire you that if you want to do something like this, then you can go ahead, maybe learn some tips from me, and you can go ahead and do it as well. So you can get the product out there for the price that you want, because I'm gonna make my product big and not expensive. Like I mentioned, I'm a frugal person. I don't like to spend money because I don't have any to spend. And also I'm using healthy ingredients. So a lot of the other dry shampoos, they have like a lot of alcohol, parabens and all that stuff. In my product, oh, those are a no-no. So I work with the manufacturer like, look, take all those things out that I don't like because I want it to be healthy. I want it to be affordable and use good products for your hair. So that's what I'm doing. So of course have to go read up on all the different ingredients that's healthy for your hair and stuff like that. So I'm gaining the knowledge that I didn't have before, because when I would buy hair care products, I didn't care about the ingredients. I didn't read them. But then some of the products that I'm using, it would make my hair stringy and I didn't like them. So I'm like, now that I have ideas, now when I'm buying stuff, I'm like looking at the ingredient list to see if it has stuff in there that I don't like. So I'm making making my products healthy and affordable. Yay! As well as learning along to make it good for you as well, that you'll enjoy using it, because I can't wait for these products to be out, because I plan to keep exercising. And it's not just for exercising, like sports, you're hiking, just active lifestyle, and your hair gets sweaty and you don't really wash it every day. Who's gonna wash your hair every day? One or two people might. The majority of us, we're not going to do it. So that's the reason why I want good products for you to use. Yep. So I'm really excited to bring this to you. I want to get them out in a few months. Now, I'm not rich. I wasn't born wealthy. I had no rich person. So if you want to help me get these out, if you want to donate even $1, $5, any amount that you want to do to help me get these products out as soon as I can, that would be helpful, because I'm just starting with these two. I have a whole lot more products, healthy products for your hair that I want to bring out. Also, if you want to send me an email to let me know, well, I'll let you know when the products are available in the marketplace. So I'll put the links for those in the description down below, so you want to go ahead and look for those. And also you want to subscribe, because I'm going to keep uploading videos so you know what's going on. So you want to subscribe and check me out, and see you in the next videos. Bye.